Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another wig install from Luvmehair. Today I will be showing you guys their natural kinky straight glueless 13x4 HD lace frontal long wig. This wig is 100% human hair. I have it in 20 inches and in 150% density. And as you guys can see from the intro, I'm giving you guys two different styles, one with the regular natural kinky straight style and also a half up, half down. This wig was very pretty and it was also very soft, smooth, and lengthy. So let's go ahead and get started. As always, I'm going to give you guys a quick unboxing to show you everything that Luvmehair sent along with the wig in itself. They always like to send a lot of goodies, so it's always a joy to open up the boxes. So here is the wig right here. Once again, this is their natural kinky straight 13x4 HD lace front long wig. Again, 100% human hair, you guys. That lace does come pre-plucked for you, so she's looking really good. Nothing that I had to do straight out the box. The lace is a full-on 13x4. It has the 4 different combs inside of the wig cap as well as the adjustable elastic band. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and add some foundation onto that lace. You guys know that is a crucial step. We do this with every single hair tutorial. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just throw the wig on. So immediately I noticed that the wig cap was big, but this is nothing that's new to me. I normally have a little bit of space inside of the Luvmehair wig caps, but I've kind of just adjusted to it. I know how to work my way around it by now. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is get all of the hair away from the lace and get her prepped for the cutting. I'm gonna make sure that the wig is in the middle, everything is centered. Then I'm going to cut the lace from around my ears and cut all the additional lace off with my regular scissors. So the scissors that I like to use have like these natural ridges in them. It's kind of like curves. And the reason why I like to use these scissors is because if you just use regular scissors and you just give yourself a blunt cut across the lace, it's going to look extremely noticeable, and that's something that you don't want. So if you don't have the same scissors that I have and you just have regular scissors, just remember to cut in a zigzag motion, okay? But once I got rid of all the lace, the hairline was looking great. I knew exactly where I wanted to lay her, and you guys know I do not use glue, so I will be using some lace melting spray. I'm gonna put her all over my forehead first, let that get tacky, and go ahead and lay the lace down. So I went ahead and I put the rest of the hair up, and if you're wondering why I have those two pieces by my ears, it's because my sideburns are extremely noticeable, and whenever I am wearing a full-on ear-to-ear lace front wig, I like to use the hair to cover up my sideburns as much as possible. We are going to be leaving the hair down at first, but then doing a half up, half down, and I was still able to make it work even with just doing that. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and let the lace melt underneath my elastic band, and I left it there for like a good 15-20 minutes. Okay, the elastic band is off, and I will say the hairline is looking pretty good. So right now I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more foundation right at the edges of the lace just to help her blend in a little bit better. Now I'm going to go ahead and use a lighter foundation in the middle part to help mimic my scalp. Your scalp is a lot lighter than your natural skin tone, so that is the reason for the lighter foundation in this area. giving you guys a close-up of the lace here. As you guys can see, she is looking really, really, really good. And again, the very first style, we are going to just wear her down and natural. I wanted to give you the full-on experience as to what she looks like if you were to style her in her natural state. So again, we're gonna leave her down, and the very first thing that I'm gonna do is make sure that the top of the wig isn't as bulky. So I'm gonna go in with my wax stick and my hot comb just to help smooth her down. Okay, so this side is pretty much finished. I'm gonna give you guys a comparison. You guys see the difference? That's exactly why I like to do that method. So then I went ahead and I did the other side off camera, and being that we are leaving the hair in its natural state, I'm leaving it just like this, you guys. This is what she is looking like. She's looking extremely natural, very full, and she was very soft to the touch and very flowy. So these are the final looks. As you guys can see, I gave you a half up, half down option as well. And I'm also gonna give you guys some more close-ups of that lace. The melt was really good. I love the kinky straight texture. She was definitely looking extremely natural. So comment down below and let me know what you guys are thinking about this wig unit. Let me know what you think about the lace, the kinky straight texture, etc. Kinky straight texture wigs are always my favorite just because they look so natural. You really wouldn't second guess if it was my hair or not, and that's one thing that I love about them. And then in regards to this particular kinky straight wig, she was very full, she was very flowy, she was very soft, and this is only 150% density, you guys, and she was giving more so like 200. So props to Luvme Hair for that. I was definitely impressed. Make sure you guys check out my description box down below. The direct link to this wig unit will be listed there, so I don't want you guys to miss out. Make sure you guys check it out. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you learned something today, and I will see you guys next time.